Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device supports pattern lock and that you can reach security settings. Once done, open Settings, tap Security, then Screen Lock and select Pattern. You plan the F shape on the 3x3 grid first. Pick which dots form the vertical spine and 2 horizontal bars. Make sure to visualize the exact order. This reduces mistakes and prevents accidental visit of extra nodes. Begin drawing slowly so each intended node registers. If a node is skipped, reset and try again. You now execute the F. Start at the top left dot, drag down through the middle left to the bottom left to make the spine. Once the spine is complete, lift and re-enter at top left to trace the top horizontal row rightward for the top bar, then re-enter or continue to form the middle bar across the second row. Make deliberate, steady motions so the system recognizes each node without creating diagonals. If the phone merges or skips nodes, stop, clear, and repeat the same sequence more slowly. You finalize the F by confirming it when the system asks you to redraw the pattern. Repeat until the device accepts it consistently. Make sure to set a backup PIN or enable biometrics as a fallback in case you forget the F. If the screen misregisters points, clean the display and try again with slightly firmer, steady contact so nodes register. If it still fails, choose a simpler F variant with fewer node transitions to reduce recognition errors while maintaining.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.